Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hatika Batul and today we are going to discuss about Muslim scientist lecture number 3. So let's start our video. In this video we will discuss about Al-Beruni, a great scientist of the Islamic Golden Age. The full name of Al-Beruni is Abu Rayyan Al-Beruni. He was born in Khwarizm, present-day Uzbekistan. He is known for his work in various scientific fields during Golden Age. Life and education of Al-Beruni. Al-Beruni showed an early interest in science and learning. He studied under famous scholars of the time, gaining knowledge in mathematics, astronomy, and natural sciences. He traveled to India, where he studied the local culture and science. Major contributions of Al-Beruni. He was the first who discussed the shape of the earth and circumference of the earth, also the movement of the sun. He also discussed the moon and phases of the moon. His calculation was remarkably accurate for his time. He developed and improved instruments for observing the stars and planets. Al-Beruni also worked on physics. He discussed the concepts of gravity, suggesting that objects always fall towards the Earth's center. Also, he conducted experiments to measure the density of various materials. He also worked on geography and geology. He studied the formation of mountains and structure of the Earth's crust. Al-Beruni is known for his book Kitab al-Hind, the Book of India, a comprehensive study of Indian culture, religion, and geography. This is the introduction of Al-Beruni. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.